You don't need a degree, connections, or a fancy laptop. You need a decision and direction because right now, thousands of people are turning their scroll time into income time using AI-powered vibe marketing. No coding, no stress, no burnout, just smart systems. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, even if you're starting from scratch. Let me start with this. Over 70 million Americans now earn income through freelancing, side hustles, or digital products. But here's what's wild. 54% of Gen Z, that's people under 27, are monetizing their social media presence, AI tools, or both. They're not chasing jobs. They're creating systems. Why? Because the game has changed. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing tasks. That means the person who understands how to use AI to save time, create value, and automate income wins. This is where vibe marketing comes in. What is vibe marketing really? Vibe marketing is the art of using AI and emotional intelligence to sell without selling. You create content, messages, offers, and visuals that feel right because they resonate. And the more your content feels like them, the more your audience buys from you. But here's the twist. You're not doing this manually. You're using AI to think for you, write for you, design for you, and even post for you. Step-by-step plan to make $500, $1,000 per month using vibe marketing. Here's how you go from zero to earning in 3 core paths. Path 1. AI content creation service. Every business online needs content. But not every business owner has time to create it. That's where you come in, with the tools. Step by step. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Use this free tool to write captions, blog posts, email newsletters. Type. Write 7 Instagram captions for a skincare brand targeting Gen Z in a casual tone. Step 2. Go to canva.com, choose Instagram post. Plug your captions in, add visuals. Use Canva's magic resize feature to repurpose for TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook. Step 3. Package them. Example. 15 branded IG posts plus 5 Reels scripts equals $75 to $150 starter pack. Step 4. Post your offer on Fiverr or DM local small businesses. Offer. I'll create a week of content using AI for $100. Repeat this with 3 clients equals $300 per month. Data insight. Over 44% of small business owners say content creation is their biggest bottleneck. You're solving a real pain. Path 2. Automated social media management. What if I told you that you can manage 3 clients' Instagram accounts in under 90 minutes a day without being on Instagram at all? Step by step. Step 1. Use Zapier to automate post scheduling. Zapier connects Canva or Dropbox to Instagram or Facebook. Upload your design, right pointing arrow. Auto post, right pointing arrow. Step 2. Use Taskade to create a content calendar. Set tasks like Client A, post motivational quote Mondays at 9 a.m. Taskade even reminds you what to do each day. Step 3. Offer your service to influencers or small brands. Price: $250 to $300 per month per account. 3 clients equals $900 per month. Fact: according to HubSpot, 73% of businesses plan to outsource social media by 2026. You're early. Path 3. Build and flip mini brands. Imagine building a digital brand in 3 hours and flipping it for $500. That's the power of brand automation. Step by step. Step 1. Go to looka.com. Build a full brand identity, logos, colors, fonts, automatically. Step 2. Use Canva to create a content starter pack. 10 posts plus 3 Reels covers plus bio templates. Step 3. Use HeyGen to create a branded video pitch. Upload script, right pointing arrow AI avatar talks, right pointing arrow. Done. Step 4. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or brand flipping platforms. You can also reach out to aspiring influencers with starter brand kits. Fact: Digital products like templates and brand kits had a 53% yo growth in 2024, according to Gumroad data. Common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Here's where people mess up. They try to do everything at once. They don't niche down. They wait for perfection before launching. Here's the fix. Choose one offer, one tool combo, and one client type. Then test, improve, repeat. How to build a beginner's business brain, not just a side hustle. Most people think in hours. Top 0.1% earners think in systems. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? What system delivers that solution on autopilot? How can I use AI to multiply my time? Your goal isn't to hustle endlessly. It's to build leverage. Leverage your tools. Leverage your time. Leverage your ideas. Now you know what vibe marketing is. You've seen the tools. You've got the steps. You've got the data. So what's next? Pick one path. Learn 2 tools. Take one bold step this week. Build that content pack. DM that small business. Flip that first mini brand. Because your scroll time is valuable. And your vibe? It's your most powerful asset in the income game. Let's turn that into something unstoppable. We don't just talk business. We build empires. One vibe at a time. This is Era Mason Business Services.